I'm Jonathan Whitcomb. I'm delighted to have this particular email report about a sighting in Southern California about 20 years ago. And the eyewitness says there were teeth in the beak. This is in Hacienda Heights, which is north of Disneyland. What's the big deal about teeth in the beak? It makes it unlikely that this is a misidentification of a bird or a bat. We'll soon get into more detail about the teeth in the beak, but why did it take me so long to make this video? It's been 20 years since I got the email. It's because of a second email I got at about the same time 20 years ago. And in that email, the person suggested that time travel is the answer, that pterodactyls appear in our time and eyewitness see apparent pterosaurs because of some kind of time travel that pterodactyls have in getting into our time. I do not like that idea, no. Let's get back to that other email in which a man said that he saw a pterosaur. That was in Hacienda Heights, California. And in that case, there were two words that bothered me. It says see-through, quote, see-through. That I didn't like because it has a tendency of getting people to think about time travel and somehow they're kind of see-through when they travel in time. I don't think that's what it is. Probably the creature was either similar in color to the sky and so it's sort of camouflaged, or else the light from the sky was passing through the wings, something like that. I don't believe in time-traveling pterodactyls.